Biotech is for second year students. It's based off of having like the social skills and working with patients all day, every day. I was first in allied health, which was just a based off of health class. It was more like learning about the vocabulary and the body. And then now I'm in biotech, which is more like hands-on. I'm with a patient all the time. There's a lot of contact with different groups of the whole school, which I think is really cool because it's like a work setting, but still at school.
So the biotech and engineering program is about meeting with clients that have a specific, I guess you'd say, disability, and they come to you with a problem that they need fixed. Your job is to prototype a product that they can use to help them overcome that problem.
By all levels, I would recommend it. It is an amazing course and it is just a lot of fun. And you get to work with 3D print, teachers, other classrooms that you may have never thought about working with. Students can expect a lot of projects, a lot of fun, and teamwork, a lot of teamwork and commitment with this one.
I would 100% recommend this program. It's really fun and it's awesome to be able to see the client like with a happy finished product. It makes me feel really good, like seeing them like improve their lives. It's a really awesome feeling.